Assalamu alaikum. Hello and welcome to my channel. Jummah Mubarak to all of you. May Allah bestow happiness, kindness on you. May all your dreams come true. May all your worries disappear. May you live the happiest life ever. May the sick get cured. Ameen summa ameen. Follow the sunnahs of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, especially on Fridays. Take a bath, probably a ghusl. Wear nice and clean clothes. Apply itr or non-alcohol perfume. Apply some amount of oil on your hair. Use miswak. Cut your nails. Recite Darood as much as possible. And don't forget to recite Surah Kaf before Asr prayer. Hope you'll follow these sunnahs. And also don't forget to remember me in your du'as. Do take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz. Bye.